So here's how to get rid of slime. You let the kids make their own slime, then it gets everywhere. You see this that is in there. See, this thing is under. Mom, can you try and pull that off?
I already tried.
I tried. No, not even. That's why Lalo wanted to throw it away.
Okay,
I'll make sure
so
we're gonna wash it too.
a few YouTube videos later, got some vinegar, and this thing's been on here what 3 weeks. We've been just staring at it. Okay, so go ahead, man. You want to soak it? Yeah.
Oh,
Just
only this part.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, you gotta let it
leave it in
soak.
a little longer. Let it leave it in there.
I'll leave it there.
Okay, so the 1 minute video plus we let it sit for 3 minutes soaking.
Okay, let me see. Oh!
Look at that.
It's peeling out. Look at.
So,
It's a little bit hard, como chicle, like gum, pero ya no.
But
It's
it's
not.
coming off.
But it's not dry and hard enough. Mira, yeah, it came out. Oh, my finger's still so sticky.
it's slime. It's
Yeah, it is like.
There you go. How to remove
I can't
slime
even
with
hold
vinegar.
it. Parece pellejo de pollo.
It's glue. It's because it's glue.
It's made out of glue.
Yeah, it's made
Oh,
of glue.
okay. Look at this.
It's glue,
Came out.
contact
Nice.
solution, and baking soda is what we use to make it.
All right,
Look
it's
at that.
gone.
It's gone. Completely gone.
Yay!
We've seen the sunlight.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's right here in my hand.
Just take
It's just a little tiny piece that it could come off real easy.
Wow. Okay.
But
How to
nice.
remove slime in less than
Yes.
5 minutes.
Yes, 100%.
100%. There's nothing left. Nothing left in
No.
the shirt, except for a little bit of glitter from it. But
the shine, but once we wash it, it'll come.
nice.
Yeah.